students. So today we'll discuss some new topic. So before discussing any new topic, first of all we'll have a quick revision of the previous two classes related to unit number 4. In unit number 4 we were discussing about certain things, like we have discussed promotion. What is promotion we have discussed. What is promotion mix we have discussed. Also we have discussed what is public relation, advertising. These things we have already covered so far. In yesterday's class we have discussed IMC also. In IMC we were discussing what is integrated marketing communication. We discussed that what are the various things which comes under it, and the components of IMC were also touched yesterday. So today we are going to take up budget allocation decisions in marketing communication. We will start with this topic. You can just have a quick recap and a look over the PPTs of the previous two classes. We discussed promotion management, advertising, direct marketing, sales promotion, personal selling, public relations. IMC was covered, components were covered, foundation, corporate culture, branding, consumer experience, communication tools, integration tools. So these all things were touched yesterday, and today we are going to touch budget allocation decisions in marketing communication. So before starting about what is budget allocation, first of all we'll discuss what is budget. When I talk about budget, so this is something we are doing the estimation of future expenses, right? Means whatever expenses are lined up in the near future, I'm just preparing a list of it, and accordingly I'm going to do the allocation of it in marketing my product, right? So whenever we manufacture our product, before doing the manufacturing of it, we are just going to prepare a budget, right? So budget is for manufacturing the goods, for taking the access of raw material, for making the payments of wages and salaries to the workers who are working in our organization. And also we have to put aside certain funds for the marketing also, right? Means that whenever we are going to start doing the publicity of it, or whenever we are going to telecast our advertisement, or whenever we are going to do the digital marketing, so first of all we have to allocate some budget for these things also, that these many things we are going to do for for creating the awareness amongst the customers, and this particular budget will be required. So this we need to do it. So today we will discuss about that only. So we can just have a look over this slide, that it says that a formal process for planning, tracking and measuring the impact of your expenditure on marketing communication activities such as advertising, direct marketing, online events, right? So it is set out the funding required to meet your communication objectives and provides a method of managing the expenditure over a budget year. So what we are going to do is that we have allocated some budget for this particular IMG, or we can say marketing communication. Now we are just going to check out the outcome also, that what is the outcome of it, right? Say I have spended lakhs of money in just promoting my product, but then I need to check out that how much result I am getting out of it, right? If I am whatever result I was expecting, or whatever the outcome I was expecting from this particular marketing, and I am not getting it, so I need to change my plan, right? So this thing we need to check out, that what budget how much budget I have to allocate for creating or for making my product, for just making the customers new about my product, that I am also existing in the market. So this thing we need to understand. Now the next slide is how to prepare a marketing communication budget. So whenever we are going to prepare a budget, so first of all we need to understand that how much overall marketing budget will total, so you can decide to how to divide it among various marketing communication actions. Means what are the various activities which I am going to take up for calculating my budget. Then what are the various types of advertising I am going to do throughout the year. this thing we need to check out, that these many activities we will be doing. So this thing we will be deciding in advance. Review the previous year's advertising budget and ROI reports, right? This is very much important. So what we are going to do is that how much budget I allocated in the previous year and how much I have received out of it. ROI means how much we have invested and how much return we have received. So this thing again we need to check out, right? If I am realizing that I have spent 5 lakh rupees, right? This was my expenditure on advertising, right? And what is the revenue which is I am receiving is say like 2 lakh, 3 lakh. So what I'm going to check out is that my expenditures are exceeding, right? And my income is not that much. So in that case, we are just going to have the investigation of it, that what wrong we are doing and how we can do better. So this thing we need to understand. Next is assign a budget to each section of your advertising campaign and break it down by month or week. So this thing also we can do. Example, TV advertising campaign often work in quarterly or yearly contract. So the essence of this particular topic is that whenever we are going to decide our budget, first of all we need to understand that how much we have done in the last year, how much we have received, how much ROI we have received, and how we can perform better this time. This thing we need to check out. So just to make ourselves better, just to make our organization achieving goals effectively and efficiently, so we need to check out that how we can do the things in the best possible way. Now the next point is set aside some of the marketing budget for new advertising venture. You are coming up with some new advertising venture which were not there in the last year. So we need to have some allocation for these type of expenses also. Include a segment of the advertising budget for marketing materials such as letterhead, file printing, t-shirts or giveaway items. So this thing we need to check out, that these are the expenses which we may incur and how we will be just making the allocation of it. So these things we need to check out, and if we are going to follow these things, then definitely it will help in achieving the goal of the organization, and it will work out in the best possible way. So today we have discussed budget, what is budget, how we are going to allocate the budget in marketing communication. Also we have discussed various steps involved in it, that we have to check out that how much expenses we can incur. We are going to make the comparison from the previous year. So these things we are going to check out. So students, again I am just requesting you all to just go through with all the topics of the units which are covered so far, and if you have any queries you can come up. These videos we people are preparing just to provide you assistance, and we expect that you people are going through it and you will definitely get benefit out of it. Thank you so much. Take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.